Today we are going to show you this installation of this part manhole chamber. As you can see, it looks like a square shape about the material which is made by the SMC materials. And you can see they are put together by screws. And this is just one single floor. Inside the space, you could put it closer with enough space. After all these installations, we also provide the same size manhole. If you do think the space is not enough, you can assemble the second one. You can see they are installed, also use the screws. By the way, for the measurements, the height is 9000 mm. The width also is 9000 mm. As you can see, this is the cover. According to your requirements, we are offering to put your company name on these parts. As you can see, the whole parts we have already done with the installation, and we also provide customization. Just control us. Thanks for watching.